So today we're soaking our okra seed before planting. Okra comes in a hard seed. I like to soak my okra in a bowl. I use warm water for soaking, and I soak them for about 6 hours. What I'm looking for here is for the seeds to burst open and to get out of that hard shell, which makes it easier for them to take to the ground and sprout. So as you can see here, most of the seeds have burst open. So we are ready to go ahead, take these seeds, and plant them in the field. Simple as that. So now we just need to drain off the water very carefully before we go plant. That way it makes it easier to grab the seeds out to place them in the ground. Now as you can see here, I do set the seeds pretty close together. This allows for any that do not come up, and also for the ones that do come up but may die out after they have sprouted. So there is a lot to okra when it comes to planting. It is one of those picky plants that you have to play around with, learn what works best and what doesn't to make sure you have a great standing crop. As you can see here, we have a great stand of okra. We are ready for summer.